Hello viewers, welcome back to my YouTube channel. I hope you are well. We have brought you a BMW 325 model car. We will do a full restoration. We hope you like this video. So let's start our restoration. We started opening it up. One of them, we took off one of its tires and opened it up really well. Then we turned it upside down and opened up its sides and took out its tires. Then we opened up its rear tires and kicked them out too. After that, we turned it upside down and took out one by one. Then we straightened it and took out its seats, and then we separated its middle part. After we took it apart, we aimed at its upper part and took out its engine by putting it on top of it, and then we took out its front window. Also took out its bonnet, and after that we separated its doors inside the doors with the help of 1,000 and took them out also. Then we took off its glass and also taken out and after that we took off its number plate. Then we took out its door lock and side stripe also. Well, now we're taking off its front number plate, and the BMW people are also taking off the front bonnet to give it a good cleaning. Now we're doing its front lights. Now took off his other light too. Now we've removed the rear lights, and you can see that we've taken all the parts apart, the lights, the tires, etc. Now we'll clean up the top. So what we're trying to do is we've put a chemical on it first and put a chemical on it to try to get the rust off. Now we're rubbing it with a wire brush to get it off. Can clean it. We gave it a good scrubbing of the bond front and back with a wire turret to get all the rust off. Now we're going to color it well on the top. The color is silver. First we've colored it well on the bond, then on the sides, and now we can see the degrees on the back side. We're also doing color in the Wali side, and now we're doing it on the other side, and this color we are doing very well. Now we have given it a nice silver color on the bonnet area and also on the light area so that there is no gap left. You can see that we have separated all the parts of it, and we are putting chemicals on all these parts to remove the zinc and clean them completely by picking up the parts one by one. I've been chemically applying it well so that it goes well. Clean and like to color, then I brush the remote tires well and fight all the parts separately, its bonnel, its outers, and its seat, and also to all parts. Now we're going to clean the top of the Sada that we previously painted silver with rust to smooth the surface. It is very important to clean and color the surface with sand so that its surface is smooth. Now you can see after giving it a good rub down with the rag maul, I put it on a table and started silvering it again. And I have now done a good job on the sides, the front, and now the bonnet. Like silver color, I will color all the parts of it well. Now you can see I'm coloring its rims well, and now I'm also silvering their seats so that all parts look the same. Now I'm again sanding the frame of his car with water so that there are no spots left. Then I'm putting it back on the table and painting the gray over it. You can see I've covered the cleaning on one side of it. Now I'm doing the same color on the front of it. At the point, it's a dark silver color, and I'm doing it by machine. So it's nice. Coin, I have also colored its front on its light area and on its bonnet. Now I am coloring it. well on the other side as well. It's all the same color, it's a dark silver color, which I am also doing the rear on the dengue. Now I am repeating the same color on its number plate area. After that, I have done the same color on the seats and this on the seats. Now I'm silvering the other parts of it, as you can see the tire, and to make it look like new, I'm going to put some chemicals on the front glass and give it a good clean with a cloth. I've been on it so it can be cleaned up and we can paint it. Now you can see I'm painting it silver. It had a broken backlight after I put it on. Nicely added up so it looks nice. After that, I'm painting his BMW guys a nice silver color by hand. I have placed the logo of W. Now you're seeing its seats, which are giving it a very good look. After that, I have also applied the seed balance of its red color. Now I'm installing its doors. After installing the door, I applied its strip on the front of the car. After that, I also applied the black color strip on the back of the car. You can see that I'm installing the front lights one by one. After installing the lights, I installed the BMW logo, and after that I also installed the front nameplate after installing the nameplate. Fixed his backlights and started to put things in his bondium, setting his engine inside the car. After setting the engine, I fixed his branch on the bottom part, which that was in silver color, and after that I fixed the ties in the mall 4 tiles already now. I am springing them to fix the tires in place after fixing the next durs. I also fixed the previous type well and attached its brush. You can see now I am fixing its seats after installing the seats. It fixed its upper part with the lower part. And the car is almost ready. I'm just looking at it now, putting all the bolts in place and putting the interior back on. Now I'm going to remove a part of this plate and put it on the frame behind the rear seats because it's going to move. See? Now the car is completely ready. You can check its final look, which looks very good. If you like our video, don't forget to